first grade families, it's Miss Lee here, and today I will be showing us how to do our reading independent work for today. And so I'm just going to go ahead and kind of explain this worksheet. So this is called the Itsy Bitsy Spider, and the directions say to draw a picture of the beginning, middle, and end of the poem. So I'm going to go ahead and read the poem to you guys, but I'm sure that you guys have already heard this before, so go along and you can say it with me if you already know it. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Okay, so that's our story, and now our job is to draw the beginning, the middle, and the end. But something that I'm going to do is, before I start drawing, I want to figure out what my beginning is. And so I'm going to say that the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. And so I'm just going to say that that is my beginning. And so I'm just going to draw a little water spout. And I'm drawing it on the computer, so it's a little bit hard. And I'm just going to draw my spider here. So I'm going to try and add 8 legs because this is our spider. So now that I have 8 legs, and I think he's pretty happy. So I'm just going to draw a smiley face because I think he's happy. The next part of the story says, down came the rain and washed the spider out. And so when we're reading stories, the middle is usually when something happens, the conflict or the thing that's kind of bad happens. So I'm just going to draw some rain because it washed our spider out of the drain, and now he's probably feeling kind of down, right? Because he was enjoying his day climbing, but now he's out. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw my spider one more time. But this time, oops, I'm going to make him feel sad. This spider feels sad. So I'm just going to draw a frowny face just to show that he's sad. And then the end of the thing says, or end of the poem says, out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. And so now that our problem is solved, because the sun came out and dried up all the rain and he's able to climb again, that is our solution, which is the end of the book. And so I am going to draw my spider, and he's just going to be so happy again because he's back to climbing, which is what he wanted to do to begin with. And just like last time, I couldn't really fit the smiley face inside, so I'm going to draw the smiley face outside. But if you can, make sure that you show your emotion on your spider. Thanks, first grade. We're excited to see what you guys come up with. Bye!